Affairs can be tough, brutal, just really hard. Here's some tips on how to rebuild trust and intimacy after experiencing an affair. All right, so first thing, you have to stop talking to the person that you had an affair with. There's really not any reason for you to talk to that person, and you're never going to rebuild intimacy in your primary relationship if you're still talking to that said person or anybody else. You need to focus on your relationship if you want things to get better. That leads me to the second point is you should get in therapy. You should probably be in therapy by yourself, and you should probably be in therapy for your relationship. And yes, I'm speaking to the person who committed and also the partner. So, therapy, obviously I'm a therapist, I'm going to recommend this, but usually you need somebody to help sort some things out because it didn't just magically happen. This was something that happened over time. The third thing to remember is that healing takes time. You have to be patient with yourself, you have to be patient with your partner, and this is going to seem like a roller coaster, but at the end, is it worth it? So the fourth thing that I want to mention is for the partners who've been affected by the affair. You can't be the helicopter parent. You can't be the accountability person. You can't just monitor everything that your partner is doing so that it just drives you crazy, because it literally will. That's why you need people in your support system, in your corner, a therapist, multiple therapists, couples therapist, individual therapist. You need people so that you can have this structure around you. You don't want to just do it all on your own and feel like you have the burden of just watching out to make sure that everything's okay. So again, go to therapy and your therapist can help you sort this out. That leads me to the fifth thing, and I've already mentioned it, but you need support. You cannot do this alone. Now, you have to be careful who you involve because this is a touchy subject and you don't want everybody knowing your business. So again, I will vouch for therapy here because it's really important to have somebody that's not going to go spill the beans and just, go and gossip, right? So be careful with who you involve, but you do need support. So again, go to therapy. I will probably say that multiple times in this short video. Therapy is important, and this is one of those situations where doing it by yourself could be effective, but you're more likely for success if you go to therapy. So remember, affairs are tough. It's just a tough thing all the way around, and there's never an easy way out. But if you get the help that you need up front and you really are intentional every day in trying to work on this, you can see success in your situation. And I think that you could find a positive outcome just in whatever you're dealing with. So remember to subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more videos coming. I'm excited for 2021. So just hit that subscribe button and make sure you check out other stuff that we have on here. Finding Freedom Podcast, the shorts, which I'm trying to get better with, but that's a whole different story altogether. So remember, subscribe, and I'm just a regular everyday therapist just trying to share my knowledge and encouragement with other people so that other people can get what they need too. You don't have to be my client to get some sort of positivity, right?